Hello, everybody. We are Beezer, and we make mobile apps easy. My name is Roger Gosine.
And my name is Ewan McCreth.
We're really excited to be here. As was just said, we won NOAH 2016. So what we've come back to do is give you an idea of our journey, where we've got to since then, and actually also announce that we will go live with our full production product on the 3rd of July. So please go along and sign up. So why do we exist? Why Beezer? I think there are two issues that we're aiming to solve here. The first is that very few small and medium-sized businesses use mobile apps today. I'll go into a little bit more detail a bit later about why that is, but you'll very quickly see there are a lot of challenges. The second issue is that if you download an app, the 8 out of 10 apps in the App Store don't actually get downloaded. And the question is why? So let me talk about that a little bit. Controversial statement, native apps are doomed. Why do we say that? Well, if you download an app, it typically takes 6 clicks to get through to the end process. And at every step, you lose a proportion of your users, about 20%. By the end of that process, you're lucky if you haven't lost 70% of your users. So again, if we go back to the SME and why they don't adopt apps, there's 5 main reasons. The first one is that very few of them have the skills, either technical or creative. The second one, of course, is that there's a relatively high development cost. There's a high lead time, which most small, medium-sized businesses can't afford. There's a challenge of the multiple operating systems. Which operating system, how many beyond, obviously, Android and iOS? And finally, you've got the complication of actually getting your product into your app, into the app stores, and getting it distributed. So why Beezer?
So the solution is Beezer. Beezer, to create an app using Beezer is simple, fast, and intuitive. Literally, in the morning, you can build your app. At lunchtime, you can distribute your app. And by afternoon, you can sit back and manage it. It really is that simple, and without an app store in sight. So using the Beezer platform, you can distribute the app in seconds to Android, to Apple, and you can distribute it via SMS, email, QR codes, embedding website widgets, or social media channels. So in short, directly to your end users, bypassing the App Store, bypassing any delays or transaction fees. So Beezer allows you to create great-looking mobile applications using progressive web app technologies. So we're using latest standards, adopting those latest standards, and using technologies such as React to do that. We are building out a range of components which are drag and drop, to make it easy to build a fully customizable mobile application. And we are continuing to build out those components and seek new technology partners. So that's the solution. So Roger, how big is the opportunity?
Well, first thing to say is that mobile apps are roughly where websites were in 1997. And Beezer's really well positioned to take that opportunity, that huge opportunity. If we look at the number of websites in production today, it's roughly about 1 billion. There's roughly around 3 million mobile apps, and you can see that coupled with the fact that apps are growing about 8 times faster than websites grew during the dot-com age, you can see, you can do the maths really, pretty complicated stuff. We're operating a SaaS subscription model from the very simple for the small SMB to the very large enterprise and for our resellers. And it's flashing at me, so I'll go a bit quicker. So what's the opportunity for you? The opportunity for you is to partner with us, help us on our journey. We're looking for reseller partners that can take us to market, who have a large SMB base. We're looking for corporate partners. We're looking for anyone that can help us scale. So thank you very much. This is Beezer, mobile apps made easy. See us. Please go and have a look and download on the 3rd of July. Thank you.
Thank you so much.